Nowadays, there's no shortage of online possibilities for meeting new people. The question is, how do you find one that fits your likes? How do you find one that will create long-lasting relationships? And honestly, it's about trial and error. So find a hobby, find a group, find an app that you really enjoy. I mean, now they've got apps to find best friends. They've got apps now to do online trivia. There's so many possibilities for you to find high-quality friendships online. Different groups online work well too. Facebook has lots of groups, Instagram, social media. All those are great places to look to find people who have the same interests as you. Find people who enjoy doing something that you like to do and really kind of going with it from that point on. So if you're looking for high quality friendships, but you're kind of more of an introvert, you're not someone who likes to meet people in social gatherings, online is a great tool to try and make some new high quality friendships.